humans are biologically inclined to keep looking forward. Because of our wish to thrive in this universe. But we need to glance at the past to connect ourselves to the future. We don't have to simply change. We have to evolve. We must look back to see how far we've come.
Alexa, play my driving playlist.
Your driving playlist on Amazon Music.
And only connectivity can lead our lives towards the world to come. To have more time to enjoy what we love. More options to feel safer, faster, greater. All we need to do is just to look up to the sky. Looking to advance. Looking to emerge. Looking to connect.